Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type iOS launcher. We are going to get this application from Loading Developer. Click to open. Accept all the permissions. And as you can see here, we can customize also a lot of things. So after applying it on the smartphone, you can go back here and change, for example, the icons or name, whatever you want. Click on the home button, then tap iOS Launcher 14. And if you get this notification a second time, remember to select as always. Click OK, then tap here. And as you can see right now, we are here with this launcher. We can edit widgets and of course the icons on the home screen. So click, hold, tap to edit home screen, click, hold, drag, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!